food and nature photographer from Charlotte, North Carolina, and on this channel I share healthy and delicious vegan recipes. Today on my channel I'm going to be making a Spirulina smoothie bowl. These are the perfect summer treat. They're great for a snack or for breakfast. If you don't want to do the bowl, you can put it in a drink and take it with you to go. So it's also just a great plain smoothie. Today I'm collaborating with Earthrise. They make Spirulina Naturals, which is a California grown spirulina. That's all I have to say. Let's get into the video. In a high-speed blender, add 1 frozen banana, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, half cup of any unsweetened plant milk, I'm using almond milk, and half cup of OJ. And blend until smooth and creamy. And the star of this smoothie bowl is the spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that is one of the most nutrient-packed superfoods on the planet. It does have a strong flavor, so I'm only adding half of a teaspoon to this bowl. It contains lots of antioxidants, amino acids, chlorophyll, beta-carotene, iron, and calcium, and it's great for your immune system, heart health, eye and brain health, and it has anti-aging benefits as well. This summer I've been absolutely obsessed with red and black plums, so I'm adding that, a little bit of chopped up kiwi, and this granola, which is one of my new favorite granolas I've been using and loving lately. It is so good. And finally, some unsweetened shredded coconut flakes. And there it is, a sweet and delicious and super nutritious healthy summer smoothie bowl. I hope you love it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. If you love smoothie bowls, then definitely check out my acai bowl. I'll leave the link in the description box below so you can check it out. I also wanted to share that I am currently in the summer issue of Carrie Living magazine with my bruschetta recipe. I also have a video for that too, so if you live around Raleigh, Cary, Apex of North Carolina, definitely get this magazine and check out my recipe there too. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!